Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for mainboard for LG motor 47LV570G. This is a European model. I don't know what is it doing here in the States, but it was sent to us. It was empowering on. It's from the LV series, and it is currently installed in our usual testing stand that you can and have seen in other videos maybe. The board was serviced, and this is how it's being tested. The usual HDMI is hooked up there with the usual player coming up, responsive, volume works, HDMI inputs work, volume down, volume up, and that is all. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.